Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new pattern tutorial. I'm going to show you this really cute hole pattern here today. This is great for the next or for the upcoming spring. You can see this variation here out of half double crochets and V's also with half double crochets. This is really easy. You always switch off depending on the row that you're in. You can always see the V's here that they always skip a row. And how exactly I do this, I'm going to show you now. Have lots of fun. Alright, so here we are with the wool. So this is the twist yarn from Teddy, 50 grams, 55 meters long, €1.55, and it's made up of 100% polyester. This is great for, basic tutorials because you can see the patterns really well due to the color change here, the color fade. It's meant for size 4.5 crocheting hooks. I'm going to crochet this a little bigger with my size 6 actually. I think this works really well with this yarn, at least for me. Let's see, I want to see if I can get the middle out. Where are you? On the outside, more like gray, black, white colors. And then on the inside, we actually have some more colors. We have orange, reds, and yellows. And that's what we're actually starting with. And so this is actually a nice orange. So yeah, just really nice wool here with a lot of contrasts. All right, so let's get started. For the pattern, we will start with a multiple of 3, and then we will add another 2 for height. For me, this is going to be 12 chain stitches. So 3 times 4 plus another 2, and then we have 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so here we have 12, this is our base, and then we add another 2 stitches here for height. Okay. Then we will skip the first 2 stitches that we just crocheted for height. We will skip these, and then we go into the third, looking from the needle, and from the hook, and then we will do a whole row here of half double crochets. Okay, then all 3 into the next, pull through 3, and that all the way over to the other side. Okay, so here's our base, and then we will continue with the pattern. For this next row, which is the pattern row, we will start with 2 chain stitches, then we turn it all around, then we skip 1 chain stitch, and then we go ahead with the V pattern. So for the base, we actually are using half double crochets as well. So half double crochet, chain stitch, and another half double crochet. And that all goes into the same stitch, okay? Then we skip 2 stitches here from below, and then we do the same pattern again. Half double crochet, chain stitch, and an other half double crochet. All into 1 stitch. Skip another 2, and then do it again. Half double crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. Okay? And you can see this is the whole pattern that we're creating here. Then skip another 2, and then we are actually at the end already. We do the same thing, half double crochet, chain stitch, another half double crochet, and then we are done with row number 1. Then we add 2 chain stitches here for height, turn it all around, and do it all backwards. But so this time we will go into every stitch again, and we add a half double crochet onto every stitch. Take some more wool here, it's kind of a little wrapped up. Okay, now we continue. Okay, so this row is again just half double crochets all the way over. Okay, and then we are almost at the other end already. You can see now the difference here between both of the rows. The row with the V's, we have 4 V's based on the the multiple of 3 or 4 that we did at the beginning. So it has more holes here. You can see, yeah, the holes a little better. And then here, another half double crochet, then 2 chain stitches for height, and then we turn it all around again. And now again we crochet V's, okay? So half double crochet, chain stitch, another half double crochet, okay? Then we skip 2, and then again another V, half double crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet, and then again skip 2 and do it all again. Okay, skip another 2, and then we are already again at the border. We'll add this here one more time, and then this row is also actually done. I will continue crocheting here for a few more rows, and I'll show you my update then. Alright guys, so here's my update for you, and as you can see, the pattern has developed and also the colors changes have developed. And you can see we have this really slight hole pattern here and this really cool color fade effect that just look really cool. And then we have the holes here obviously that are always just in every other row, just because we were, switching off the pattern. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you next time back here at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!